Now we need to create our models inside the coupon API. So if you examine the models inside Shopping Cart API, the one model, or rather DTO, that we will need is response DTO. That will be standard. So we can just copy this and create it first. Inside the DTOs, we will add a new class, response DTO, and let me copy all the properties. Then what about the actual coupon? For that, we will right click on the models and we will add the class for coupon. We can create a fancy coupon class, but that is not what we want to achieve in this course. We will keep it super simple. We'll use the key data annotation for primary key, prop, integer, coupon ID. It will have only two properties. First will be prop string, coupon code, and next one will be the discount they get. So this will be discount amount. You can go fancy with coupon, like there can be percentage discount or the amount discount, and then the coupon expires and so on. We'll go with the straightforward approach that there will be a coupon code. If they apply that, they'll get some discount, and that's it. We need to create a coupon DTO. Let me copy all these three properties. DTO, let's add a new class, coupon DTO, and paste the properties. Then inside the mapping config file, we need to add a configuration. So we want to map the coupon DTO to coupon and vice versa. So reverse map looks good. Perfect. We have added our models, we configured the mapping config. Last thing, we need to create that in database. So we'll say prop dbset for coupon, and we'll call the table as coupons. Let's run the migration. For that, we'll have to go to solution and set the coupon API to be our startup project. NuGet package manager console. We'll call it add coupon to DB. Whoops, we have the wrong project as default here. This should be coupon API. Let's run it one more time. Great, migration has been generated. Let's update the database. Perfect. Everything is done and configured for our new API project. In the next video, let's work on the repository in the coupon API.